There are situations wherein the elector complains that the VVPAT slip does not match with the candidate he or she voted for. In such cases, there are provisions under the relevant act and rules which needs to be followed by the election machinery. Let us see this situation wherein VVPAT has no defect. The elector goes to the first polling officer, who then identifies her on Epic, loudly calls out her name and serial number of the elector for the benefit of the polling agents and the second polling officer,
Serial number 193, Shaila Singh.
and marks male-female count on a separate sheet. The second polling officer, upon hearing serial number of the elector, notes it down on the voter slip, writes the detail of the elector on the 17A register of voters, write last 4 digit of Epic on 17A, take signature of the elector on 17A, puts indelible ink on left hand forefinger of the elector, and then issues voter slip. The third polling officer takes back the voter slip and then releases the ballot from the control unit and directs the elector to proceed to the voting compartment. The elector then proceeds to the voting compartment, carefully watches the balloting unit and presses the button of the balloting unit as per her choice, and then watches the voter slip shown in the VVPAT.
Ma'am, the VP pad is not matching.
What is not matching?
I am voting for the X and the vote is going for the Y.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure. There is some
Are
mistake.
you saying that you voted for someone and the slip is showing someone else?
Yes.
Okay. If you're challenging that, then under Rule 49MA, I can allow a test vote. But
Okay.
you will have to sign a declaration. I will read out the declaration, especially this, that I am aware of the penal provisions of section 177 of the Indian Penal Code, that I shall be liable to be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees, or with both, if the declaration given by me in para 1 about to the presiding officer appointed under section 26 of the Representation of People Act 1951 is found to be incorrect.
Yeah.
It states that if it is proven that VVPAT slip and the one which you have voted is correct, then I will have to initiate legal action.
Yes, you can.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
You will have to sign on this declaration. Please sign here and fill in your details.
The presiding officer then notes down the entry in the Form 17C.
Yes.
Please, polling party, polling agents, this elector has challenged that she has voted for someone and VVPAT slip is showing someone else. We are going for a test vote. Please come to the voting compartment. Please note on the register 17A. It's a test vote. Take her signature.
Second polling officer writes on 17A register test
Yeah.
vote with same serial number and takes signature of the elector. All the polling agents along with the presiding officer and the elector goes for a test vote.
Polling agents, please see. She has voted for this person and VVPAT slip is showing same. Are you all satisfied?
But it was not this. Earlier it was different. Now it is different. That time it was wrong. This time it is right.
I cannot accept this.
But
The machines are tested. The polling agents are satisfied. I will have to initiate legal action. Polling agents, please take your seat.
ma'am, that time it was, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I cannot.
What is happening?
I'm
Ma'am.
sorry, ma'am.
As a test vote proves that VVPAT slip and the vote on the balloting unit matches under Rule 49MA of the Conduct of Election Rules, the voter who claims that the EVM or the paper trail machine did not record the vote correctly is allowed to cast a text vote. If the voter fails to prove the mismatch, poll official can initiate action against the complainant under Section 177 of Indian Penal Code, which deals with the giving false submission. A person can be punished with a jail term up to 6 months or fine or both.